What's up, YouTube? Today I'm going to show you how to turn off the Hey Siri function on iPhone. So in order to do this, you're going to open up your Settings app. And then from here, the third block of text, about 5 down, you're going to see an option for accessibility. You're going to click on that. And then if you scroll all the way down, it should be one of the last options there. You're going to click Siri. And as you can see here, there's a number of different options. As it's selected right now, it says only with Hey Siri, and if you switch that to with silent mode off, you should be able to see that. And then also down below that, there's an option for always listen for Hey Siri. If you turn that off, it will stop listening for Hey Siri. And this is super useful because a lot of the times it'll turn on even though you're not actually saying Hey Siri, you'll say something else and it'll pick it up as Hey Siri. If you did have any questions or still need some help, be sure to leave a comment below and I'll be sure to get back to you. Otherwise, if you found this tutorial helpful, please leave a like and subscribe. It really means a lot to me. Thanks, and check out our other videos, linked in the description.